Hello and welcome to YouTube channel of Linguistics House. Today we are going to discuss 40 phonetic alphabets with English pronunciation, which are derived by International Phonetic Association. Please subscribe this YouTube channel if you want to know more about linguistics, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification of all useful videos. So first phonetic alphabet is Pa. As we pronounce Pa phoneme in word pill. Pa is a bilabial stop, as labia means lips, so Pa is a sound made by lip. The way of articulation is in such a way that lips are brought together, the air stream is stopped and then released with an explosion, so Pa is a stop or so-called plosives. We have only two bilabial stops, that are Pa and Ba. Second phoneme is Ba, as we pronounce Ba in word ball. We have discussed earlier that Ba is a bilabial stop because in its pronunciation lips are brought together and air stream is obstructed and then released with sudden explosion. So that's why Ba is a stop and also known as a plosive. Until now we have discussed Pa and Ba. Both of them are bilabial stops as their manner of articulation is same. Third phoneme is Ma, as we pronounce Ma in word more. Ma is articulated by the meeting of the two lips but in such a way that velum is lowered and the air comes out of the nose. So its manner of formation is nasal and Ma is a bilabial nasal. Fourth phoneme is Fa, as we pronounce Fa in word for. It is a labiodental fricative. Fa is articulated when the upper teeth come in contact with the lower lip. It is articulated in such a way that the air keeps flowing out with friction, so that's why they are known as fricatives. Fa is unvoiced phoneme as it is pronounced in such a way that vocal cords are not vibrated. Fifth phoneme is Va, as we pronounce Va in word ways. Va is also a labiodental fricative. Va is articulated when the upper teeth come in contact with the lower lip. It is articulated in such a way that air keeps flowing out with friction, so it is known as fricative. Va is a voiced consonant as it is articulated in such a way that vocal cords are vibrated, so it is a voiced phoneme. Sixth phoneme is Tha, as we pronounce Tha in Thai. Tha is a dental belonging to type interdental. It is a fricative because it is pronounced by the tip of the tongue coming between the teeth. It is a fricative, so the air flows out with friction. Tha is unvoiced and there is no vibration in the vocal cords. Seventh phoneme is Dha, as we pronounce Dha in thus. Dha is also a dental belonging to type interdental. It is also a fricative because it is pronounced by the tip of the tongue coming in between the teeth and air flows out with friction. Dha is voiced as vocal cords are vibrated in its articulation. Eighth phoneme is Sha, as we pronounce Sha in word shrill. It is plato-alveolar consonant and a fricative. When the middle of the tongue makes a lump which comes near the hard palate, only slightly behind the alveolar ridge, the air goes out with great friction and a sharp sound of Sha is articulated. Sha is unvoiced phoneme as it is articulated without vibration in the vocal cords. Ninth phoneme is Ja, as we pronounce Ja in word vision. It is also a plato-alveolar consonant and a fricative as well. In its articulation, the middle of the tongue makes a hump that comes close to hard palate but only slightly behind the alveolar ridge. The air rushes out with strong friction and a sharp sound of Ja is produced as in vision. It is voiced as vocal cords vibrate in its articulation. Tenth phoneme is Ta. We pronounce Ta in word tail. It is articulated from blade of the tongue coming in contact with alveolar ridge. It is an alveolar stop as air stream is obstructed before being released. It is an unvoiced consonant as it is produced without vibration of vocal cords. 11th phoneme is da. We pronounce da in word day. Da is also alveolar stop as it is also articulated from blade of the tongue coming in contact with alveolar ridge. Airstream is also stopped before being released. It is voiced consonant because it is produced with vibration of vocal cords. 12th phoneme is na. We produce na in word not. It is an alveolar nasal because it is produced by bringing the tip of the tongue close to the alveolar ridge. It is articulated in such a unique way that mouth is closed and the velum is lowered, but then the air is forced to go out from the nose, so it becomes a nasal sound. It is voiced because it is articulated with the vibration in the vocal cords. 13th phoneme is sa. We pronounce sa in word si. Sa is an alveolar fricative. It is articulated by bringing the blade of the tongue closer to the alveolar ridge. It is a fricative, so air goes out with friction. Sa is an unvoiced sound as it is produced without any vibration of the vocal cords. 14th phoneme is za. We pronounce za in word zu. Za is articulated by bringing the blade of the tongue close to the alveolar ridge. As it is a fricative, so air goes out with friction. Za is unvoiced as there is no vibration of vocal cords in its articulation. 15th phoneme is cha. We pronounce cha in word chill. It seems joint version of ta and sha phoneme, but it is different from them as it is pronounced as cha. 16th phoneme is ja. We pronounce ja in word John. It also seems joint version of da and ja phoneme, but it is very different from them in reality. It is pronounced as ja. 17th phoneme is wa. We pronounce wa in word y. It is totally different from its reciprocal form. It is a fricative and it is voiced as during its articulation vocal cords are vibrated. 18th phoneme is ka. We pronounce ka in word ki. It is a velar consonant phoneme and an adjective stop, as they are pronounced from the place behind the hard palate, which is a soft palate called velum. So it is a sound which is produced with the contact of tongue with the velum and is hence called velar sound. It is unvoiced because it is articulated without vibration of vocal cords. 19th phoneme is ga. We use ga in words like get. Ga is a velar stop, also called plosive, because it is a sound which is produced with the tongue coming in contact with velum. Ga is voiced as it is articulated with vibration of vocal cords. 20th phoneme is ing. We use ing in words like ring. It is a velar nasal sound. It is also produced when tongue comes in contact with velum. 21st phoneme is ha. We use ha in words have. It is a glottal fricative. It is unvoiced as it is produced without vibration of vocal cords. It is termed as a voiceless vowel with slight friction in the glottis. 22nd phoneme is la. We use la in words left. It is a lateral alveolar. It is articulated with placement of the blade of tongue on the alveolar edge. It is voiced and produced along with vibration of vocal cords. 23rd phoneme is ra. We use ra in word real. It is a retroflex sound as the tip of the tongue goes up and curls back in its articulation. 24th sound is ya. We use ya in yes. It is a platal semivowel and also known as approximant. 25th phoneme is wa. We use wa in words like with. It is produced by the lips rounding together. The manner in which it is articulated is very similar to vowels. It is called semivowel or approximant because the air comes out from the lungs and goes directly outwards with little obstruction, which is offered by the rounding of lips. 26th phoneme is E. We use E sound in beat. It is a cardinal vowel produced from cardinal position and produced from high front position of tongue in the mouth. 27th phoneme is A. We use A sound in wait. It is a cardinal vowel produced from cardinal position. It is produced from high half front position of tongue in the mouth. 28th phoneme is Oo. We use it in words like boot. It is a cardinal vowel produced from cardinal positions in the mouth. It is produced from high back position of tongue in the mouth. 29th phoneme is O. We use it in words like coat. It is a cardinal vowel which is produced from cardinal positions. It is produced from half high back position of tongue in the mouth. 30th phoneme is A. We use it in word bat. It is an unrounded vowel which is produced when tongue is in the front low position in the mouth. 31st phoneme is A. We use A in word but. It is a central back unrounded vowel. It is pronounced when tongue is in central back position in the mouth. 32nd phoneme is I. We use it in word light. 33rd phoneme is Oi. We use it in word boy. 34th phoneme is E. We use it in word bit. It does not have a dot on it and it is front high vowel produced from front high position of tongue in the mouth. 35th phoneme is A. We use it in words like bat. It is a cardinal vowel produced from cardinal positions in the mouth. It is produced when tongue is in half low front position in the mouth. 36th phoneme is Oo. We use it in words like foot. It is a short semi-high back rounded vowel. 37th phoneme is A. We use it in words like aw. It is a vowel which is produced when tongue is in half low back position in the mouth. 38th phoneme is A. We use it in words like car. It is an unrounded vowel produced when tongue is in low front position in the mouth. 39th phoneme is A. We use it in word like sofa. It is a mid-central unrounded vowel. It is called schwa. 40th phoneme is ow. We use it in words like cow. So this is our video for today. Thanks for watching the video.